Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video we are going to see how to create SalesMate contact from Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically a contact should be created in my SalesMate CRM, and for that I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and SalesMate with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action application is SalesMate. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact in SalesMate through Facebook leads. So I run a send and gravel business, and to promote my business, I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and I've also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that whenever a new lead is generated by submitting the form, automatically that lead should be created as a contact in my SalesMate account. And for that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. And now to begin with the process, we are first going to search for pabbly.com/connect. And as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. And if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this plus icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as Facebook Leads to SalesMate. After that, let's click on create. And as you can see over here that we have successfully created a folder named as Facebook Leads to SalesMate. Again, on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as Create Workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I am going to name my workflow as Create SalesMate contact from Facebook lead ads. And as you can see over here that I have selected the folder named as Facebook Leads to SalesMate, which I have created just now. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. After that, click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of a trigger application. Now, my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. And here we have to select a trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this, and here you will find two options, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to select new lead instant, and it says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Let's select this. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And then select your account. And we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now let's move ahead. We have to select a page, and it says please select a Facebook page. If you don't see your page listed, access your account settings to confirm that the connected account has correct manage page permissions, and then reconnect your account. So I have named my Facebook page as Sandcastle Solutions. So I'm simply going to search for Sandcastle Solutions over here. Let's select this. So as we have selected the Facebook page, we have to select the lead gen form now. And it says select lead ads form here. Please ensure that your lead ads form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. Let's click on this, and I have named my lead gen form as lead gen form. And as you can see over here that there is an important note. Please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test button, you will need to generate a sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission, which means after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, we need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And now it says waiting for webhook response. And there is a note again. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. And for that, we are going to search for Meta for Developers. After searching for Meta for Developers, click on this first link over here, or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. Let's click on this. And this is Meta for Developers page. Now click on More and then go to Tools. After that, scroll it down and you will find Lead Ads Auto Debug tool. Make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Let's click on this. And this is Lead Ads Testing tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. Now to do a test submission, we have to select a page in the form name. Let's click on this and select a page name first. Now before clicking on this preview form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing lead. But as of now, I do not have any lead, so I'm simply going to click on this preview form. So this is the form which I have created. Now I'm going to enter all the dummy details over here. After that, click on Next and then Submit. And it says your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received a response or not. And as you can see over here that we have successfully received a response. The first name is dummy, the last name is user, email address is dummy@pabblytudes.com and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now my action application is going to be SalesMate. Let's click on this. And now we have to select an action event. Let's click on this and here you will find various action events, but I'm simply going to select create contact as my objective is to create a new contact through Facebook leads. Let's select this. After that, click on connect. Now to connect our SalesMate account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection, but if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now to add a new connection, we have to enter all these details over here, which is asking us for host name, session token and the account URL. And given below here are the instructions to find these details. And for the host name, it says enter your SalesMate account name, for example this. So let me take you to my SalesMate account. And here you will find the host name. Let's copy this host name from here and after that paste it here in my Pabbly Connect account. Now we have to enter the session token and we'll find the session token in. And for the session token, it says enter your session token here, go to your SalesMate account and after that go to profile icon and then my account and then access keys and after that you will find the session token, for example this. So let's go back to our SalesMate account again and now we have to go to the profile icon and after that go to my account. And then here in my account, go to access key. And here you will find access key, secret key and the session key. Now it says click to copy. So I'm simply going to click on this and it is copied successfully. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and copy this session URL here. And now we have to enter the account URL and for the account URL it says enter your SalesMate account URL, for example this. So now let's go back to our SalesMate account and this is the account URL. Let's copy this URL from here and then paste it here. So as you can see that I have entered all the details which was required to add a new connection and now I'm going to click on save. And we have successfully connected our SalesMate account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now let's move ahead. We have to enter the first name, last name, mobile number, email address and all the other details which are required. And for that, I'm going to use the method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous steps. So I'm going to map the first name from the previous response which I have received through Facebook lead ads. And the first name is dummy and the last name is user. We have the phone number which is this and the email address is dummy@pabblytudes.com. Now the company name, job title, phone and other details are not required, so I'm leaving it empty over here. But if you want to enter all these details, so you can do that. After that, click on save and send test request. So as you can see over here that we have received a response and it says the status is success, which means we have successfully created a contact in our SalesMate account. So let's go to our SalesMate account and check whether we have created a contact or not. So as you can see over here that we have successfully created a contact on the name dummy user with the email address dummy@pabblytudes.com and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our SalesMate account. So let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So as we have successfully set up our trigger and action application and it was a successful workflow, so let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my trigger event is new lead instant. Here my action application is SalesMate and my action event is create contact. And if you also want to create a contact in your SalesMate account through Facebook leads, then simply follow this workflow step by step. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to us at this website. And if you find this video helpful in any way, then do not forget to share it with your friends and please subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.